Alright guys, welcome to Ron's Rides. We are in a 2018 Maserati Granturismo and we're gonna have a little fun. So I'm gonna stop talking and get to the fun. Now just to note quickly, we are in sports mode and sport manual mode. So this is what you're seeing and hearing. Roll the window down. Actually, we'll roll it up just a little bit more. It's a little too much noise. Alright guys, we're coming towards the end of our trip. Getting into a little traffic here, so I want to see, what do you guys think? Hopefully the camera was positioned good. Hopefully you could get some good sound quality and you experience sport mode in the 2018 Maserati Granturismo. Such an incredible drive, such character behind these cars, so much fun, so much sound. The driving experience is what you really get out of this. It's such a fun car. And this is that naturally aspirated V8 that we're gonna see disappear sooner than we think. And we gotta appreciate it while it's here and have fun with it while it's here. So I wanted to get this video for you guys. I had to experience it myself. I have before, and I wanted to get it in again. And this is where we are. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely give the video a like if you did. Subscribe if you want to see more amateur Maserati Alfa Romeo content. Also, subscribe to Ron's Rides, because this is what we're doing.